welcome back to my channel, guys, and welcome back to another episode of Living with Goldie. Guys, in today's episode, I'm going to show you how's the cruise kitchen look like, the galley department. So I'm going to tell you when the kitchen is empty, how's the kitchen look like, and even I'm going to show you when it's the operation time, when the chef and the waiters are working, taking the food outside to the passengers, how's the kitchen look like that time also, and a little bit of a bakery also. So guys, it's a request, watch this video till the end. You'll get a lot of information about it, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, you know what to do. Click that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that bell icon, because once you hit the bell icon, you will get a notification whenever I am uploading the video. So I don't want to waste more time. Let's begin with this video. So guys, let's start with the bakery section, and you can see so many breads if you had selected as a baker. Now this is a section you going to work on a cruise ship as a baker. Now your job is to prepare all the baking stuff like the breads and other stuff. Now you can see they have already made a dough. This guy is also making small doughs for a bread. I don't know which bread is this, but it is quite small. Now it look like this maybe, and it is stacking over here, and this goes in a oven, and once it cook it will look like this. Now these people are making breads, and he is giving the design on the bread, so all the breads look different, and it is so fun to eat this. Now once I was talking about a giant oven, this is the giant oven. Now once it cook, it look like this. All the baker will know about this. Now guys, when the operation has not yet started, the galley will look like this, full empty and very quiet. So I'm just giving you overall picture of a galley. If you have selected as a chef, this is the area you're going to work. It is damn clean and it is very cool also, because we have a very good air conditioning system, so you won't sweat also. But again, it's a galley. Yeah, sometimes it's hot because you are going to work in a lot of heat. Now they are preparing for a dinner. Now this is such a beautiful, I'm just giving you some overall picture. So once you go on a cruise ship, you will know what exactly you are going to work and what you're going to see exactly. So this is a little overview of a galley. Now you can see some of the chefs already working. I mean, maybe they are preparing for a dinner. So just enjoy the view of a kitchen over here, the galley. And now we have machine also. This is a juice machine, coffee machine, and everything is provided. You can have a juice from here, not a problem. Even in crew area we have this juice machine and all. So everything is electric, no fire at all, no flames, everything. He's washing his hand, sanitizing process very important. You need to wash your hand, wipe it with a tissue paper. Now they are preparing for a dinner. You can see all this. Wow, it looks so beautiful. Now they're going to prepare all the food. They're cutting the vegetables precisely so they can stack it on this, and it looks so delicious, don't it? Now this is how you're going to work on a cruise ship. Wow, this is a fruit salad plate, 20 rupees in India. So they are preparing for it. Now guys, this is the time when the operation has started. They are working in a night shift for a dinner time. Now it is so loud and so much work you have to do. You need to be on your toes. You can see how many people are working all together just to feed passenger and give the service of a top most level. Now it is not that easy. Maybe in this video is looking easy, but it is not. I will just increase the volume. What exactly happening over here? You can't even hear yourself. I'll just show it to you. So it is loud and very much you have to be on your toes while you're working in a operation time. Now this is the area, oven, steam, fast work all you have to do. And for waiters, you can see this now. It is in fast forward mode, but you can see how much fast they need to work. And you really need to concentrate which food is going to the which table. And even chefs are very, very quick to give out the food on time. And waiters are doing exceptionally well. You can see how much they carry, and you can see all the varieties of food, and it is tasting good, but it should look good also. So you need to also make sure the quality of the food should also be good. And you can see the waiters taking all this food at one time. Oh, and it is heavier, it's not that easy, you can see. So if you are thinking of being a waiter on a cruise ship, so you have to learn all the skills. Wow, hats off to all these people. So this is how you have to work on a cruise ship in a galley area to serve the passengers. So guys, this was a small video about the galley tour. So guys, please follow me on my Instagram also. Nowadays I'm putting a lot of beautiful reels about the cruise ship and cruise ship life. If you don't follow me on a Instagram, and you know my handle is Goldie Believe. This is my handle. So guys, I will come up with a more beautiful video. Till then, bye from Cruising with Goldie.